everyone, my name is Annette and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some moves for a song all about Snow White. So we're going to start our dance with our hands on our tummies and our bendy knees. We're then going to jump 2 feet apart and then 2 feet together. 2 feet apart, 2 feet together. And if you can, try and do your stretchy arms at the same time. We're then going to see if we can jump forwards and backwards. And you might go forwards and backwards, or you might do a 2 feet jump. Both of those are super. Stretch your arms forward when you jump forward and then bring them back when you go backwards. So we go forwards and then backwards. Now we've got to count to 7 for this next move. So can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clap our hands at the same time. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then catch them. 7. We're then going to do a great big stretch, taking our arms all the way up and over, back onto our tummies. Shall we try that? So we're going to do our jumping forwards and backwards. Here we go. Forwards, and then backwards, and then forwards, and then backwards. Then we count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we do a really big stretch all the way around to our tummy. The next move that we need to learn looks like this. We're going to try and jump side to side. So can you see if you can go sideways and then the other way? And can you see if you can try and jump, 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 jump? Maybe you can jump with 2 feet all the way across, and your hands can go the same way as your feet, side to side. So let's add that move into the mix as well. Now we need your witchy fingers. Can you see if you can make your fingers look as witchy twitchy as mine? And I wonder if you can hold them over here and then hold them over here. Now this cheeky witch, she's going to make a very yucky apple that's going to make Snow White fall asleep. So can you see if you can show me your hops? And then let's try the other one. We're then going to pretend to be Snow White munching her apple. So can you see if you can go munch, munch, munch with your hands and jump at the same time? And if you're feeling super clever, you can try and do your jumps, going all around. Now, can you show me your sleepy heads like this? Can you pretend you're sleeping? And we're going to run for help because we need Snow White to wakey, don't we? So can you show me your fast running feet at the end? And we're going to wave for help. Wave! And the good news is that help comes, someone blows a kiss, and it wakes Snow White up and she's quite okay. So that's a lot of moves. Shall we see if we can try them with some music?
Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Beautiful Snow White. Beautiful Snow White, beautiful Snow White, the fairest of them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dwarfs. Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Beautiful Snow White.
Beautiful Snow White, beautiful Snow White. Here's an apple, a poisoned apple. Take a bite, a big huge bite. Now fall asleep, a deep sleep.
Oh no!